Now let's see how to use Netcat to transfer file between different devices. One more time, those maybe seem simple tasks, but actually we're going to see how to utilize those simple tasks while we are doing any kind of attacks. So to be able to do that, we need to go here to my Linux machine and type nc netcat, and we're going to connect to our Windows machine 192.168.1.109, then port 4444, and then I can use this sign. This sign in Linux means redirect. So whatever you are getting from this computer, which is the Windows computer, please redirect it to a file, and you can name it anything. So we're going to name it, for instance, test.txt. So you are redirecting any input, anything that you will be receiving from the Windows machine to a file called text. Now let's go to the Windows machine. I need to go to this specific location, which is document and setting on the C drive and admin, because I will be able to transfer depend about on which location are the prompted. So we'll open my computer and I'm going to open the C drive, document and setting, admin, and I'm going to create a file here under any name. So let's create a file, a text file, text to here you go. I'm going to name it, for instance, ABC, and let me write anything inside this file. Save, and let me make sure that the file has some data, and I'm going to type here the same command, which is nc, but I'm going to open a listener here, minus lvp, and then we're going to put the opposite side, means that the file will be taking from here. Which file? File which is abc.txt. Okay, so this could be an image, this could be a video, whatever file. So this command is saying whoever connect to this port, actually we forget to write the port, which is 4444. So the command here are saying whoever connect to port 4444, please give him this file, and he will search for this file from this specific location. I mean, if the file was on the desktop, he will not be able to reach it. So you have to put the file on the same location, and here the file will be moved here, but maybe under a different name. You can put the same name or a different name, it doesn't matter. And let's see, so we're going to click here, enter, and now he opened the port and he's listening to the port, and we can click here, enter. The thing with Netcat that it will not give you a confirmation once the file has been moved. You have to check that yourself. So, since this was not a big file, you can open another terminal and you can type ls, and most probably you should find the file here. Yeah, test.txt, as you can see. And if you open the file, you can do that even graphically. Cat test.txt, you will find the content of the file. So again, it's not that simple, but the point is, if I can successfully upload this Netcat file to a Windows machine and run it remotely, I can do a lot of administrative tasks. I can do a lot of moving file, moving information. So it's not about this specific simple example. It's just a proof of concept that I can use Netcat to move file between the two different devices. And as I keep saying, later on we're going to see how to utilize that.